What's up, Live Gang? I'm your girl Shay Live.
And I'm your boy Trey.
And today, we are finally in Jamaica.
Yeah, let's get it. The room is dope. The resort is dope. It's a small little boutique, so it's not a lot of people here.
And we're right on the cliffs.
Yeah, man.
There's like no TVs. Like it's very disconnect and relax.
Off the grid, even though we record and giving you guys everything. So we're gonna give you guys a quick room tour, and I can't wait for you guys to see this view off of the room. Like it's dope. Like I can spend the rest of my life here.
Oh, the rest of your life?
Yes. You got anything else to say?
Let's take you inside first.
This is our long entryway up into our illustrious room. You walk right in and you got the baby maker.
Not the baby maker. So it's really quaint, really intimate. Like I said, there's no TVs or anything like that. So it's just a bed in the front. Then you come around the back. There's a little fridge, all the little stuff.
Get your little drink on.
They got like his and her closet moments. Cute.
I like to keep my stuff separate from Shay's.
Trey likes to share everything with me. Don't let him fool you.
You see us?
So the back is the bathroom. We have this huge shower.
Yeah, it's real dope. And it's like outdoor, indoor.
Yeah, super cute. There's a light, but unclear where it might be. Oh, here it is.
Look at you. Finding everything.
This is just the bathroom. Oh.
They got everything.
Unclear as to why you can like lock it from the outside.
Because with the air coming in, you can shut this
Oh,
door.
the indoor-outdoor.
Yeah, so it's not too hot when you got the air going.
So just the bathroom, nothing crazy. Around the back side, they gave us like a little Bluetooth speaker, a little place where we can have breakfast in the morning. They have 24-hour room service, which is nice. And then
we come back around to the bed, but this is what you want to wake up to.
Oh, okay.
If she can, watch out, bro. I got you.
They have like locks on everything.
I got you. They're trying to keep us.
Well, it was a double lock.
They're trying to keep us secure, baby. But look at that. Amazing views with my amazing boo. You can sit out here and have your breakfast, your drink, a little cocktail mimosa right out the bed. Come on now. It don't really get much better than that. This is Jamaica. I love it.
I'm gonna show them how far down it is, because Trey, first question he asked was, can you jump off of this into the water?
Yeah, I'm trying to do some cliff diving, baby.
But you can't cliff dive over here.
Hey, I'm an athlete. I've been trying to tell y'all this.
It's not about being an athlete.
I've been trying to tell y'all this for a minute.
It's about the rocks at the bottom.
You excited?
Yes, I am. I can't wait. I don't know what we're about to get into. We have welcome drink ceremony because we are going to a wedding tomorrow. So we have the welcome drinks tonight. But before then, I think we're going to take a dip in the pool, see what the resort has to give. But our room is giving cute, and we have drinks here already, so maybe we'll just chill.
Let's pull it up, baby.
Let's do it. So we used our welcome cups.
The journey to Jackson.
Journey to Jackson. Negril. Baby.
What's the deal?
What are we cheersing to?
We're cheersing to right now. We're cheersing to Jamaica. We're cheersing to the Jacksons. We're cheersing to the Live Gang. We're cheersing to all the blessings of 2021, baby.
Oh yeah.
Let's do it.
And cheers to us being next.
Yeah. What's good, y'all? It's day 2 in Jamaica.
Yes.
What we got going for today?
So today is the wedding day. My cousin is getting married.
Let's get it.
It's in a couple of hours actually, but we just finished getting in the ocean and just like hanging out. And now we're gonna go get ready for the wedding, and and turn up.
Yeah, so we're gonna bring you a little bit of content of what we can from the wedding. But today is a real relaxed, real chill day, and that's what we plan on doing for the most part outside of the wedding. But let's enjoy these ocean views.
Yeah, and in the meantime, go head over to our TikTok because we put a couple of things on there too. We had some time today.
You feel me?
And since you guys really liked our TikToks from the first time we did them, we're doing a lot more. So go check those out too.
Look at Shay Live, just floating in the ocean. Who she thinks she is?
And here we are in heaven. So you are mine. Hello.
The wedding was popping.
Yeah, we had a good time. And it's next morning, and so we are off to do some exploring on a catamaran. I think we're gonna go to Rick's Cafe, do some cliff diving.
Yeah.
So today is a little adventurous day. It's gonna be fun. So
Let's get it. Say live.
front of the boat vibe.
What kind of fish is down there? Fuck it up. Fuck it up. Fuck it up. Hey. 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 Get it, ma. Get it, ma. Get it, ma. Get it, ma. Where you at with it? 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 Ah, she's a loser.